The internet is an amazing place. You're watching this right now on the internet. And so many people use the internet to find resources like, I'm going to do my own will, or I'm going to draft a power of attorney, I'm going to do my estate plan from documents I find online. But like everything in the world, buyer beware. You get what you pay for, and the internet is free. So what do you need to look out for when you're doing things like that? When you're downloading documents, you're getting free information from the internet. Well, the first thing you need to consider is, who's the source? What does that look like? Where's it coming from? You need to consider the state that the document might be drafted in, because if you live in Georgia, you might not want a Florida document or an Alabama document because the laws in those states differ from the laws in Georgia. You also need to consider what you know and what you don't know, right? You might know 80% of the information that I know about estate planning, and that's great. That's a lot of information to know. But it's not the 80% that you know that helps you, it's the 20% you don't know that hurts you. So you really have to understand what you're doing and why you're doing it, and not just take the first document that you see because it's free, because it's easy, because it's in the right format and it's easy to edit. Because what I see time and time again is families do this, people do this, and they do it for the right reasons, but they don't know what they're actually doing. They don't know what's missing or what's incorrect, and then something happens and mom or dad pass away or grandma has to go into a nursing home. They show up in my office, bring me all the paperwork, and they say, I downloaded it, I filled it out, I don't understand why it won't work, and I tell them, and they're like, but I didn't know that. And knowing it is not a criteria of it working, right? So you get what you pay for, be careful about what you know, be careful about the sources, and at the end of the day, the only way you can ensure this is that you get exactly what you need is if you go to a true professional.